YouTube can be an overwhelmingly confusing platform to grow your business. Where should you go? What should you read? How should you navigate around this system? Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on Freedom Guider, the platform that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, and motivational speeches that keeps you highly inspired so you get your financial freedom. If it's the first time on my channel, please hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so I can send you the latest videos I produce on a daily basis. And in addition, please give me your comments in the feedback section below and look at the various data I have consumed for you below this video. Now let's go. On my YouTube channel, I go through step-by-step tutorials of making money online. So feel free to pass by and go through each of my videos that I've spent time and energy to consume for you in order to make your monetary affairs better. And in addition, if you go to any of my YouTube channels and you go below the description, which is here, you'll find a free ebook that I will give to you. This ebook contains information that will increase your awareness of making money online. And in addition, if you want to get that ebook from another section, you can go to my About section, which is here. Click this, know more about me, and you can get the latest feedback I give throughout social media. So without further ado, let's get into this. How do you navigate through YouTube? How to make the best of this overwhelming platform? One, you have to ask yourself, why are you on this platform? Why are you searching for this particular topic? What do you need? Based on my research, people go on YouTube for at least 3 main reasons. 1, videos that their friends have recommended. 2, for entertainment, music, and so forth. 3, to get knowledge about a particular item. So let me show you a few aspects of my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, as I've highlighted before, that I take you through step-by-step tutorials of making money online. So what you will do, you'll go to maybe at least 4 of my videos within a 2-day period, see which of them is best for you to implement, and stick to the 4 videos. Try to use at least one over and over to make money through. Please don't go down to the section below and write, oh, I didn't make any money. You have to be persistent and constant in any method that you choose to make money from my YouTube videos. So keep that in mind and be optimistic. You have to put your time and effort. I am just a knowledge facilitator. So you go watch my video, you implement it, and you try to find loopholes here and there where you can even optimize the technique that I've introduced to you. Okay, guys, if you're liking my video, give me a like and subscribe and give me your feedback. Okay, guys, a question for you. Why are you on my channel? Can you put the reason in the feedback section below? And if you would like me to elaborate upon any of my previously said points or videos, please tell me in the feedback. So guys, you have to be clear on the purpose you're on any YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel focuses on making money online. So whatever video you come across, you'll be inspired by the techniques that I've introduced about monetizing your effects on intranet leveraging processes. Okay, so say that you'd like to search for an item. What you'll do, and this is my only recommendation, that you go, you type, say for example, Mercedes-Benz, say Benz. Okay, now YouTube is linked to Google. So whatever you type on YouTube, they'll always link up to Google search effects and give you the most rated video. So say for example, I'm searching for a car that I'd like to buy in the market. So I'll go and type Benz, for example, and YouTube gives you the results of the search. They'll give you the highest rated video, the number of subscribers to that particular channel, and the numbers of what they say view time for that particular channel or video. Okay, so what you do, you go and you go through that particular channel. You look for about one of the required videos. You understand the product through that YouTuber and you stick to it. Do not go through, say, more than 10 or 20 websites that give their own feedback about that specific car. You'll be confused. So be optimistic, be conscious of this reality of not getting fully thrown into this website of just searching. Go to one or two YouTubers, get enough information from it, then make a decision. YouTube is an overwhelming platform which allows you to get information, but this information can have side effects to it. You can get really confused. So keep that in mind. So my YouTube channel, for example, relates to money making. Stick to it. Go through at least 4 of my videos in the first week. Try to use it in the best form. Look for, the secret holes here and there where you can even make that technique more effective for your ultimate goal, and use it over and over. I have over, say, how many videos I have? Maybe over 100. Try to use at least 4 techniques. If they don't work, go to another technique within the few weeks. Do not jump from each technique within a short period of time. These techniques need efforts, your undivided attention, and your consistency in progressing through any of them. Okay? And I would recommend again that you download my ebook to get a clearer understanding of having an online business. And in addition, I've given a few recommendation of courses that I see that's befitting for you to use on this overwhelming platform of social medias in general. So guys, I hope you've liked this video. Hope to see you on my videos in the upcoming hours. Give me your feedback. If you're finding difficulty using any of these methods that I've recommended on my channel, please give me in the feedback section below. You can contact me through my email address, which is below this video. And also, when you go to the About section, you can get my email address here, and also other related information, including my ebook, my Facebook group, which I'll encourage you to be a part of. In this Facebook group, I go through various methods of promoting on social media using the free method mode. So, hope to see you in the next video I produce. Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. See you later. Bye.